Good day, everyone. You are welcome to today's class. Today we are looking at the question on the board. And how do we solve a question like this? We have log 27 base 3, log 64 base 1 over 4, and log 1 over 81 base 3. So when we want to solve this question, let's use different of log here. And this, we can start with log 3. 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3. Then equal to log, this can be written as 2 raised to power 6. Then over log 2 raised to power minus 2. Then from there we have log 3 1 over 81. So raised to power n. Now from there, this is 3 log 3 base 3. Then this will be equal to 6 log 2 over minus 2 log 2, which is plus. Now this we can write as log 1 over 81, which can be written as 3 raised to power minus 4, then base 3. Don't forget, we still have our raised to power n. Now, what we are going to do, which is 3 raised to power minus 4, then bring the n to n now. So here, what we are going to do, this will cancel. We have 3 plus log 2 will cancel log 2. We now have 6 over minus 2. Then plus, now bring this one to the front, which is plus before, but minus is coming out, minus 4n. Then log 3 into base 3, which will eventually knock each other out. So here we have 3 minus 4, which is minus 3. Then so from here, when we cancel this, we now have 3 equal to 6 over minus 2, then plus, bring this one, that's minus 4n log 3 to base 3. So what do we have? We have 3 equal to minus 3, then minus 4n, because this will go. What do we have? We now have 3 plus 3 equal to minus 4n. And if we look at it, this will give us 6 equal to minus 4n. So our n will now be 6 over minus 4, which is n equal to minus 3 over 2. I hope you understand. Please